Hey there, welcome to Violet's DIY Style. I'm Violet. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome, and I hope you consider subscribing. Also, don't forget to click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with your friends and family. So I'm going to share with you how I made these adorable 4th of July or patriotic home decor pieces. So what I used for the first one is one of these round metal wreaths that say welcome. I wish I could have found some more, but this was the only one I had found at the local Dollar Tree in my area. So I'm going to use it for the 4th of July. So what I did was use, again, that metal welcome wreath, and then I'm going to get some of these star metal garden picks. So what I did was just basically remove the metal pick from the star itself, and I'm going to attach it to the wreath. And I attached it with some hot glue and also some E6000. Basically what I did was just add some hot glue on one side and E6000 on the opposite side of the star, depending on where you're going to place it. And then just continue adding more glue and E6000 until you're happy with the amount you placed on your star. And as you can see, I'm just cleaning it with my fingers because I couldn't find my rag. So just go ahead and do that. And then the star does have like a little lip, or so what I did was just push it down and I let it dry. Then I went ahead and did the same thing with the second star. I was thinking of putting 3 on here, but I thought, that was a little bit too much for my taste, so I just decided to add 2 stars instead. So as you can see, you just kind of bend that little lip from the star itself, and you're just going to add some E6000 and hot glue again to your star. And then just let this all completely dry. And there you have it. You can add ribbon, you can add a bow, some greenery. You can do a lot of things to this wreath, but I wanted to keep it as simple, just with the welcome and the stars. So this is the way I'm leaving mine, because I also think I can put this inside, and I wanted to keep it just nice and simple. So the next DIY, what I did was I had these ceramic ornaments from Dollar Tree as well, and I only had 2 brown ones and 1 blue. So what I decided to do was paint one of my brown ones white, and the next one I'm going to paint red, and then I'm going to leave the blue one obviously blue. And what I did was just paint and give it a really good coat of whatever color you decide to use. If you're going to do it for 4th of July, I know these are the colors that I'm using. So I just went ahead and painted it with a sponge. But I noticed that when I painted it with my sponge, it took me a little bit longer to kind of put everything into the little grooves, which I thought would be easier, but the way I was doing it, I guess it was just, I don't know if it was just me, but it took a little bit longer. So I just went ahead and decided to do my red one with a brush, which was a lot easier because I could just kind of rough it and rub it in there into all the little grooves. So just go ahead and paint one red and one white and let them completely dry. So once they're all completely dry, what I did was just grab some sandpaper and sanded everything down. Just kind of rough it up just to make it more farmhouse, more of my style. But you could leave them as is as well. So just get some sandpaper, your sanding block, and just kind of sand any parts down that you like as much as you like. And since I didn't have to paint the blue one, all I did was just sand it down. And this is the way they turned out. So this is the way it all looks completely together. With my wreath that says welcome in the stars, and then here is my ceramic red, white, and blue ball ornaments that I just put in a vase from Dollar Tree as well. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up again and share with friends and family. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.